Hey guys, Teacher Vern. Today I have a super tip for you. If you are learning English and you're still trying to figure out how to say words, you're going to want to listen to this. So here's the deal. I had a student that had told me she was taking 5 or 6 hours worth of lessons in the morning with this teacher, and the teacher was complaining that some of her letter sounds were off. And I was thinking, everything else she had spoken sounded very good, very clear, and very well said. And so she basically was saying the letters to me, and I listened, and it sounded fine. And I thought about it, and I thought, how can this teacher be saying these things that your letters are so far off? And I asked her, I said, where is your teacher from? And she said her teacher was from Canada, eh? So that got me thinking. If I am an English speaker from the South, hey y'all, the deep South, my accent is going to sound one way. If I am a native speaker from California, hey man, surf's up, my accent's going to sound another way. If I'm a speaker from New York, New Jersey, it's going to sound a little different. And if I'm from Canada, it's going to sound different also. So there's a danger in taking lessons from somebody with this accent, this accent, this accent, and this accent, because every listener is going to hear things differently, want to correct it to their accent, right? So my best tip, if you're learning English and you're not fully established, pick one main accent from one region, a region that you like to listen to, and start with that accent, learning that, and get corrected from those teachers from that area. Because if you don't, you're going to learn from this teacher's accent, and they're going to keep correcting you, and you're just going to take the long way around to get from here to here. Instead, you could just go like this in a straight line. Now, you only need one accent to be fluent in a language. If you want to learn the other accents and the other slight differences, you can do that. But I suggest sticking with one accent at first, okay? That's the best advice I can give you today. So give that some thought, and we'll see you next time.